Alright, finally, after struggling with putting this on, the technique that me and my girlfriend used to kind of hold things in place is kind of have a slave pin or a pin punch on one side and then her driving the pin or the actual retaining pin on the other side with a hammer. But we got it to work. So, I caution folks to not to dry fire the gun with the grips off, because the grips actually keep the trigger bar and this pin from walking out. But if you insist on doing it, you probably want to just function test it this way. So holding the hammer pin and the trigger bar, make sure everything works. See? So, and since this is the Champion is a single action trigger only, should not fire, unlike the regular one. So, that being said, we're going to put the grips back. Nothing special here, just align there, align there. And having the grips on is important too, because it retains the pin from walking out. Also, as you guys can see here, it also keeps the trigger bar in alignment. Right? Let's put in our grips, starting with the 2 screws. No need to make it too tight, guys, because you cannot get grip screws for these guns. They are not like the ones for a Beretta or anything of that sort. Well, actually, I think they are the same threading, but the head sizes are different. So just kind of walk the screws in like so. There you go. Just kind of evenly. Just like that. You don't have to tighten these guys too much. Put that in. Just get it started. Don't want to cross thread these bad boys because the bushings are also discontinued, so you can't get those unless you find somebody with a old bin of these bushings, but you still have to stake them in. Cool. So now that we got that all together, test fire it. Everything functions. And on the next video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the over travel on the P88 Champion trigger.